All right, today is Wednesday.
Yep.
All right, this is the Legislative Black Caucus. This is like me chasing my tail. This is the 2023 agenda, all right? And I understand that they got an agenda, but they took an oath when they took their office. They took an oath, and that oath is defend the Constitution and the right to property, the freedom of speech, the freedom of press. I'm an independent filmmaker, and I was making a documentary about the Democratic Party in Maryland. Right here, 2006, Dwayne G. Davis, Falls Road. That's Pew that's GOP Carter. She was Delegate Carter when I started this. All right? Talking about shorty, pull your mask up? No, we're going to unmask Baltimore and the Baltimore delegation. That's the Department of Justice, all right, in 2007. Shows you how long I've been doing this. That's Carl Sullivan from Governor Hogan's office, all right? Shorty, pull your mask up? No, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this right here. P.O. Box 38. We talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry. Education instead of incarceration. Books over bars. That's Johnny Oleski. Our Baltimore City and Baltimore County delegation has been permitting this for the last 15 years. All right? That's 2010. That's Governor O'Malley, Judge Bell, Carl Snowden, Attorney General, Civil Rights Division. So Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown, you the Attorney General now. Brian Frost, you ain't in office no more, so prosecutorial immunity doesn't apply to you. You can't hide behind your position of power. I applied for Martin Luther King's job and y'all got mad. I own shorties. I own me. And that's the governor's office. Like I said, I was making a movie. Lieutenant Governor Brown, you the Attorney General. And that DVD, I got it. We're going to play it for the public to see. That's Eric Holder. That's President Obama. And that's the IRS. That's Michael Huber. He used to work for Baltimore City. Now he works for Johns Hopkins. This is Mr. Bailey, my lawyer, 2009, 1402 Lochner. Like I said, I was kidnapped. That's Pam Woods from the Baltimore Banner. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Governor Quinn, Lisa Madigan, Governor O'Malley, and parole and probation. 2010. These are the inmates. The inmates, all right? That's States Attorney Mosby. These are the inmates. And that's the public defender in Northrop. Inmates that don't have their rights respected. See how long? I'm an independent filmmaker and a documentaire, and I was making a movie about the Democratic Party, the entire contents of the defendant's vehicle. You can't take my property. That's against the law. That's theft. We talking about kidnapping. We talking about the new face of old Jim Crow. Scott Shellenberger needs to be criminally charged and disbarred, and the Maryland Black Caucus need to do it. You took an oath to defend our rights. Well, I'm a citizen of the state of Maryland. My property was taken. I'm not following your agenda. I'm following the Constitution. Vanessa Attenberry got evidence. I gave it to her, and I videotaped me giving it to her. GOP Carter, Speaker Jones, the Baltimore City delegation, Baltimore County delegation. Delegate Stephanie Smith has legal mail, and that's my intellectual property.